Erindale Park, Mississauga's largest and most scenic natural retreat. Spread along the banks of the Credit River, this peaceful park offers more than just beauty. It carries a rich history and community spirit. In the 1800s, this land was home to the historic village of Erindale. Powered by the river, it once bustled with mills and trade. Today, it stands as a gentle reminder of that past, reimagined as a haven for nature lovers and explorers. The Credit River still winds through the park, quietly flowing alongside forest paths and picnic spaces. Its sound is a natural rhythm, calming, grounding, alive. Bird watchers, photographers, and casual explorers gather at designated photography sites to capture Erindale's magic, from fluttering birds to golden leaves dancing in the breeze. Spanning more than 220 acres, the park is a blend of winding trails, wide open spaces, and community zones. It's where the city pauses and nature begins. With 5 large picnic areas and 2 shade structures, there's room for every kind of gathering, from peaceful lunches to birthday celebrations. A well-maintained play area invites children to run, climb, and dream. In winter, the toboggan hill becomes a local favorite. Blanketed in snow, it brings joy to families and thrill seekers alike. The paved trails nearby stay busy year-round with walkers, joggers, and cyclists. Convenience meets comfort here, with clean public washrooms, a large parking lot, and even a mobile food vendor offering warm drinks and snacks. Whether you stay an hour or all day, everything you need is close at hand. Erindale Park is more than a green space. It's a meeting ground for families, a space for solitude, and a living memory of this region's rich past, shaped by nature and preserved with care. Thank you for joining us on this peaceful walk through Erindale Park. If this place brought you calm, inspiration, or joy, like, share, and subscribe. And when you can, come experience it for yourself.